So the key for our patients who are on our transplant list is keeping well, and home hemodialysis really gives a good opportunity to do that.
In many renal units during the 1970s, including the one where I worked in London, there was no provision for patients who needed to be dialysed on a long-term basis in the hospital.
So one of the good things with nocturnal hemodialysis is that it gives us a lot more flexibility and variety for a patient's diet.
And you will often find that people on home dialysis are reluctant to come back into the hospital. Once they're set up at home, they know what they're doing, they're in control of their own treatment, their own therapy, they're a lot happier and they seem a lot better for it.
It's the freedom it brings. You know, people are enabled to work, get on with their lives. They're not restricted to the set times that the hospital offers. It gives people a lot more freedom and control. The impact it has on a person's body as well.
Their treatment around their life rather than fitting their life around their treatment. Huge advocate for home dialysis, especially for our younger patients.
So when I was on nocturnal dialysis, I had my first boy, who's now 5. He came along, and literally like 2-3 months before he was born, I had got called for the transplant. So, because I had a kidney transplant beforehand, they said that the chances of me having a child was really slim.
Supporting him, helping him set up the machine when he's ready for dialysis, doing all the ordering for his medical supplies, keeping in touch with the hospital, liaising with the engineers if there's anything goes wrong, and just generally being a support.
The benefits of home hemodialysis is that it happens very regularly. It's more convenient for the patient and you get better fluid balance. Patients with heart disease and kidney disease generally run into problems when they've got too much fluid in the body that ends up in the lungs.
So when patients go home, we generally are able to take off an awful lot of their routine medication.
I would recommend home dialysis for everybody. Whatever their needs may be, it's about finding ways around those needs. I'm still very much of the opinion everybody is suitable for a home dialysis.
It did bring us closer together, I think.
Yeah.
Because there was that kind of trust there, and because I wanted to learn as much as I could to be able to support him as I think you would if it was me.
Yeah. Queen has to learn how to do the machine to help me to put needles in as well, and she had to learn how to needle me.